Overall, Annapolis home prices rose 9% year over year to $677,500. It's Friday, February 13th, 2026. Happy Friday the 13th. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Zip code 21409 fared better than 21401 and 21403. Prices in zip code 21409 rose 6.4%, while prices in 21401 fell 0.7%. Prices in 21403 fell 2.7%. Contract activity is regaining strength following the snow and ice storms as buyers are out house shopping again. Though there still remains a shortage of homes for sale in Annapolis, active inventory actually dipped 3.5% from last report to only 143 units and at a median list price of $600,000. These have been on the market 56 days, while 11 units will be coming soon at a median $530,000. 18 properties went under contract this past week in 7 days and a median list price of $449,000. 13 properties sold at 100% at a median sold price of $585,000. Both new contracts and those sold represent a lower sales price than in recent past, but list to sold ratio being at 100% is much better than Maryland overall. So Annapolis has a very strong seller's market. Annapolis rentals fell to 38 units for lease at a median $2,763 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday. Good luck Friday, February the 13th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your Valentine's Day weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.